Hi. I was at a school committee recently where a teacher shared that one of their colleagues has been using AI to create rubrics, and the entire committee seemed to smile at this idea. So that was the inspiration for today's short video on rubrics, AI, and education. So yeah, absolutely, AI can generate rubrics. Here we have a prompt to asking AI to generate a rubric for an elementary school math project, and we want to assess for creativity, for accuracy, for clarity, and for overall presentation. And of course, the criteria is up to the educator. And I think that there's a great deal more that we could do if we think about AI and rubrics in addition to, as we just saw, the generation of a rubric. So as educators, we all have a backpack full of rubrics that we have historically used, and we could give those to AI. We could ask for feedback, we could ask for improvements, we could ask to please analyze based on specificity or measurability. And then, of course, we can ask AI to update based on the educator's needs. Has the assignment changed? Was there important feedback about the project? Do we need differentiated rubrics? So we can work with existing rubrics, and of course we can create new. And then one idea I get really excited about is when AI can provide patterns or can share with us the patterns that AI sees. So I was thinking, what if I had been able in my former career, been able to convince the entire humanities department to share their rubrics and then uploaded those into AI, and then we could ask AI, is the measurability consistent? Where are the inconsistencies? What can we do to help standardize the evaluation process for our students based on these rubrics? In terms of how I use AI and rubrics in my life today, I'm working on another degree, and I will put an assignment rubric and my student work output into AI and ask for feedback. Did I meet the criteria? And then if not, could you give me some feedback on how to better meet the criteria? I don't know if I was still in the classroom how I would feel about putting obviously anonymized student work into AI, but I think that's a clear trajectory as well. Asking AI to assess a piece of work with a rubric. And while I have some hesitation about sharing student work with a robot, I think the potential there to create some very personalized feedback to help the educator as coach in for that specific student and that specific assignment seems pretty powerful to me. So movement towards that personalized learning through using rubrics and AI. Thanks for listening.